Now our next transaction is of 25th January 2020, and this says Mr. Bashir cleared all his previous balance by giving us cash, so we will create a receipt voucher for that. I'll go to PeachTree and customers and sales, receive money and receive money from customers. You can also go to banking area and use the same option, receive money and receive money from customers. So customer is Bashir, and first mention the reference number and receipt number. My transaction date is 25th January. And if you notice here, the cash account is set to bad debt expense. Now we will change it to cash again. And now you can mention any description here. And after that, you have to clear both of these invoices because Mr. Bashir cleared all the balance. So I'll just click on pay on the first line and on the second line. So 591,800 is our total payment. Now just remember to complete the above area first and then mark the payments as paid. Otherwise, if you change this areas later on, for example, if you change the payment method to Standard Chartered Bank, or you change the date, so this automatically unchecks the payments. So that's why I recommend you to change. So that's why I recommend you to complete the above area first and then click on paids. So I'll enter it again, 25th January, and receiving in cash and pay and pay. Now I'll click on save. Let's check receive money and receive money from customers again. Repost it, yes. So that's how we deal with receiving payments from customers.